Welcome to our new home. Okay, so Ryan's gonna walk us through. Here we are in our new van home. Woo. So this is the kitchen. Ryan, can you show us the kitchen?
Okay. Drawers and stove.
Stove goes up on top. Easy storage.
Pull out fridge.
Pull out fridge.
Full of beer.
Keep us cool. Whiteboards for notes. Locked down for travel.
So then this is the sink.
Little hideaway sink.
Tap.
Linked into a water pump.
The water tank is in behind there.
Water jug.
The jug, you can pull it out and take it to a tap to fill it up.
Food storage.
Food cupboard. Same as that one.
Another food cupboard. Dishes.
This one's for Sarah to do work while I climb. She can pay for my climbing trip. This is very important.
Or for candlelight dinners, which, how do you sit at our candlelight dinner?
If we had any, I'd use a little dicky chair.
Our little chair, since we don't have a high top.
Yeah, so we can sit either side. And this is where we cook from, because we can't stand up. And then we got storage in the back as well. And if you slide it back in, it doubles as a third seat.
Sorry, no seatbelt.
Yeah, totally legal.
So on the back of the seat we have our toiletries, storage, and hats.
I spent a bit of time making this drawer, and I don't get to use it. It's full of Sarah's clothes.
All my clothes.
And all mine
We'll go inside of the other wall here.
all mine are on the wall.
Ryan's storage bins. We're missing our laundry basket at the end over there. And this is our bed. We sleep widthwise. Ryan, want to sample? A little lay down. We're just short enough to both fit widthwise.
And all little
Secret compartments under the bed.
storages under there, everywhere.
Some on this side as well. You get the idea.
You get it.
Here's Ryan's little nightstand bin and our vent fan out the roof. Keep us from dying of carbon monoxide.
Oh, and yes.
Kitchen bins.
The electrical.
Ooh, a little mood lighting. We have a little LED strip all the way around.
And we got.
Then we have, I'll step back out here. We have roof lighting as well.
All from here.
All on this magical panel of lights.
Yeah, that's the battery setup inverter.
We got double batteries down here for people who care. Running off of the alternator of the car. And
Back, I suppose.
the back. We'll walk you around here. We have a little door storage, water bottles, wine bottles, toilet paper. Underneath we have a little shoe cubby stepping into the van. Keep our dirty shoes off. going around back here, taking the view. This could be your home, like ours. So from the back, a little reading lamp.
We've got
2 big drawers of storage that slide under there.
them.
And then
This is the
extra
climbing
storage
packs.
here for our climbing packs and sleeping bag and tent in case we need it or anything. And that's our little home. There's one final exciting thing.
What is that?
Yeah, for every girl who doesn't want to get out in the middle of the night to go pee. Ryan, could you showcase the best part of the vehicle?
Do you want me to do a live demonstration?
No live demonstration. You do need to be comfortable with your van partner or have a blindfold.
That's the toilet.
But we do have a toilet that drops directly
So
outside
you
discreetly.
And that's how you flush it, straight to the sink.
Flush it out in the sink. And
Yeah, it just drops straight to the ground. So does the sink. The sink just drops straight through to the ground onto the dirt.
onto the dirt. And then you're ready to hang out. And then if you care, the front of the van is just like a normal van, nothing exciting. Just our nice Chevy. So that's our van tour. If you have any questions, we can answer them. Ryan, say bye.
Bye.